This is the big stuff kit, as you can see, it's all the big stuff. And I'm just going to show you just a short version of the different sounds that you've got in this big stuff kit. These drums are Ken Kenny's, and they're in other kits, so I'll just show you how it sounds on the top. It's a nice big drum, you can have several children around it. You can find those in the other kits too. Thunder drum. Best to do it that way up rather than that way because of the spring. This is a tongue drum here. Children like to put the sticks in like that, it's quite fun. The Cheng Cheng, Balinese instrument. A lovely carved djembe, which children are often fascinated with the texture on it as well. Here's a tangy seed belt shaker, which you can put around you. And then you can go like this. Woo-hoo! I'm having fun! A nice big ocean drum. Rain sticks. The long clacker. These are just like those short animal clackers in the other kits, but just longer. And then we move over to the bongos. I'm going to bring them over here to the middle. Children will play things with their hands, but if there are beaters available, they tend to play with the beater, so I'm going to do that. And if you want it to be louder, you can tip it a bit. And then finally we've got the 3 gamelan instruments, which are just in front here. These lovely hooked gamelan beaters, which are the type that you get in Bali. So isn't it great?